In the morning, Sunday. Okay, so this is the update weather in Canada, Saskatchewan. So I'm going home now. See, it's a morning from the Port King Street. Uh, the morning raining and a little and cloudy the whole day. So this is the update weather morning forecast. Okay, so the best thing to do is to check the weather. Yesterday, the whole day it's raining, but now we can. It's nice to sleep. Okay, so a little bit raining in the morning. And a little bit raining. See, in my dashboard. Port Street. Possible rain. So all I have to do is check the update weather in the morning so we can prepare the umbrella and raincoat. Okay, see you guys. That's all. And subscribe and click the notification bell for upcoming latest video to my YouTube channel. Okay, that's all guys.